Resetting Windows 11 when your HP computer does not boot. If the computer does not boot normally and Windows 11 won't load, you can reset Windows through the Windows Recovery environment. Turn on the computer and press the F11 key repeatedly until the Choose an Option screen displays. Select Troubleshoot, and then select Reset this PC. If you have files on the computer, such as pictures, documents, or videos that you would like to keep, select Keep My Files. This option resets Windows but retains your personal files, so they are available after the reset. If you don't have any files that you want to keep, or if you have tried resetting Windows previously and still encountered issues, select Remove Everything. The BitLocker key is requested to continue with the reset. On a different computer, navigate to the Microsoft website, aka.ms/myrecoverykey. Enter the Microsoft account credentials attached to the system for which you want to obtain a BitLocker key. Verify your identity and provide the email address for your email or backup email account. A verification code is sent to the email account you enter here. Enter the verification code you received via email and click Verify. A list of BitLocker keys is provided. Use the drive label to identify the BitLocker key for the system you want to boot. On your computer, enter the BitLocker key in the field and press Continue. On the Reset This PC screen, you have the option of reinstalling Windows from the cloud or from the computer. In this case, select Local Reinstall. Select Reset on the Reset This PC screen. The Windows reinstall starts, and this process can take up to an hour, depending on the computer configuration. When complete, the Windows Welcome screen displays. Click the Playlist tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.